This recent court decision blocking Donald Trump's executive order on voter citizenship proof is far more than a technical legal ruling. It reveals a deep constitutional and civilizational struggle within the United States. At the political level, Trump's directive represented his long-standing narrative of national sovereignty, the belief that American democracy has been diluted by outsiders and that voting should be restricted to real Americans. The judge's decision effectively rejects that claim, asserting that the president has no authority to redefine citizenship or voting rights by decree. In this sense, the ruling symbolizes a judicial pushback against Trump's populist nationalism and a reaffirmation of institutional limits on executive power. Constitutionally, the essence of the case is about separation of powers. The U.S. system grants Congress the authority to regulate federal elections, while states manage implementation. The president's role is administrative, not legislative. By blocking the order, the court reasserted that election law cannot be rewritten by personal command, no matter who holds office. It was the system's immune response against a potential concentration of power in the executive branch. Socially, the dispute reflects America's enduring tension between freedom and security. Conservatives view stricter registration rules as protecting electoral integrity, while progressives see them as voter suppression. The ruling temporarily favors the latter perspective, but it also shows that America still lacks consensus on how to safeguard democracy without constraining participation. Historically, this decision continues the post-Watergate judicial tradition of constraining presidential power, especially in matters touching elections and oversight. It is less about Trump himself and more about the American constitutional reflex to protect procedural democracy from executive overreach. Looking ahead, Trump's team plans to appeal, yet the symbolic impact is already significant. To conservatives, the decision proves the existence of a deep state blocking reform. To liberals, it demonstrates that the judiciary still defends the Constitution. Both sides, however, emerge more divided. In short, this case is not just about voter forms, it is about who has the right to define democracy itself. Trump seeks to secure democracy. The court reminds him that democracy's security cannot rest in the hands of one man.